Welcome to my channel everyone. Today let's unbox a device purchased from toogood.com, or if you have been thinking of purchasing a device from Toogood by seeing its ads on the Flipkart homepage. And I will be unboxing the Google Pixel 2 XL, one of the best phone to have a great camera setup of 2018. So let's find out how it will be like, check its box contents and have a quick hands-on of the device. And here's the box it came packed in. It is completely sealed as you can see, and I guess this white piece is the invoice or the bill. Let's open up this one first. And here are some details printed. The amount is 17,499 rupees. You can pause the video and check for yourselves. Now let's open up the box. And here is another box inside it. And here you can see some Maxford Enterprise branding. I don't know who that is, or it may be the one who had done the refurbished of the device. And here we got two seals. Let's cut through this one too and dive in the box contents. Okay, so here's the phone itself in a wrap. For now, let's check the other stuff. First, we have the warranty card. We got a Type-C cable here and a third-party charger branded as vintage. And I don't know how this charger is gonna perform. I recommend not to use such unknown third-party charger. Now let's check the device itself. Take it out of this wrap and it looks good. Indeed, it is very good in condition. I will show you the corners and back side of the device. It doesn't have any scratch. And now let's see if it does power up. And yes, it does. Let me quickly set it up and check its other functions too. First, let's dive in the camera. And it's working fine. You can check the image. The touch is also smooth. Now let's check its Android version. And so it is running Android 9 as of now, and the Pixel 2 XL has already received the Android 10 update, so this device should also receive it if I connect it to the internet. And this unit is a 4GB and 64GB variant. So the phone seems to be performing well, working everything as of now, and the purchase was kind of good. Everything came out working except for the charger, which was of a third party. And that's all in this video, guys. If you have liked this video or somehow I have helped you in a way, please consider subscribing to this channel and share it among your friends and family, and stay smart and safe. Anke isi chuning ri nili Karbi jirpi jirpo tum anta nili video ninghang ik pulute subscribe tha sapur nang pik tha kardom.